Hi everyone, I'm Blocks, and this is how to make the time-based money distribution system that is affected by premium. The first thing we will need is some type of currency strip. Now I've quickly just created one, but I have actually a better tutorial on my channel. I should be having a card up on the screen right now. And if we have a currency strip, then we will in service insert another strip, which we can call the, let's say, the money distribution handler. And here we want to make a few variables. We always start variables with a local, and then we want to enter the variable name. So I want a interval equals to, let's say, 10 seconds. 10, because that's how many seconds. Then local payment equals to 5. Local P payment equals to, let's say, 8. Now the interval is how many seconds it will wait before repeating to pay people. The payment is how much regular people will receive, and the P payment is how much money premium players will receive. Then we're gonna do while wait. In the brackets of wait, we're going to just put in the interval, and after the last pair of brackets, we'll say do. Then we're going to say for I, comma, elar in pairs game.players colon get players. In the pairs brackets, we're going to say that. And then after those brackets, we're going to say do. In this function block, we're going to say if plr.membership type equals to enum dot membership type dot premium, then, because if this condition is met, then it means that the player is premium. So plr dot leader stats dot cash dot value plus equals to e-payment. Now, if you don't have a leader stats based currency strip, you might not need this leader stats part here. If your currency isn't called cash, you shall replace this cash here with whatever your currency is called. And under the condition of them being premium, we want to do that. But else, if they're standard, regular, so no premium, then plr.leader stats dot cash dot value plus equals to payment. Now once again, if you don't have a leader stats based currency script, you just leave out the leader stats. If your currency isn't called cash, replace this cash with whatever your currency is called. Now all of this should work. Let's see if it does so. Oh yeah, I just made a mistake with my currency script. Now let's see if it works after I fixed that. And currently we have 50 as my currency script would on default make. Now after 10 seconds, we just need to wait that for a bit. Oh yep, we added 5 because I currently don't have premium and we have the payment. Now to test if premium works, we just need to do something here. So we'd have to make the not. So if you're not premium, then it makes the member. But we'll only have this temporarily to test if that part works. Now the currency strip isn't saved for now because I only made a very rudimentary one here, but the tutorial I made will actually save. Now let's see, after 10 seconds, yes, it pays us 8, which is perfect. So now all we just need to quickly do is make that it's a regular equals to. Perfect.